Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. So today's exciting video is we are going to be installing some lowering springs on the Q60. I'm so excited for this. Lowering springs I got were the RSR Super Downs, I believe. It's only going to lower it about 1.5 inches. Having someone install it for me because while this COVID-19 thing is going on, all my friends are at home and no one's really together, so I am paying someone else to install it for me. So we'll see how it looks. Last time I had the wheel gap. This shit's so sick. Michael,
Andrew, nice to meet you, brother.
Just met right now. This shit's sick. We get to the other side. It's wrapped, right? The camo?
Yeah, it's wrapped, yeah.
So dope. Just gotta wash the car and see him right there. Follow him on Instagram. You guys want to see more? You should see.
I'd love to have you pull up with us, you know what I mean? To present. Have a good time. I'm just getting off of work, so like I said, I live right here down the street. I work in Ontario, and I mean, most of my buddies, bro, we're all over. So I mean, that's why I'm saying, like, we like to do photo shoots and all that.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
So I mean, bro, we have one other Q60. He's the same color, but he lives out there in Paris. He barely pulls up. You know, that's why I'm like, man, if I could get into the Q60 right there by my side,
yeah, fuck yeah, that'd be dope.
You know, what I mean?
What are other friends? They running like Q50s or the Zs?
We're mostly Infinities.
Oh, mostly Infinities?
Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, because I got two homies, they got 3.7s, and then my other homie is at 3.0.
It's just like I said, I'll help you get whatever parts if you need car parts, anything.
For sure,
if
bro.
You don't know your own people, I mean, just give me a call, man.
Hell yeah.
Shoot me a text.
For sure, man.
So nice meeting you.
Oh, yeah, nice meeting you, bro.
Good, bro.
Yeah.
Well, let me know, because
yeah.
if you do photography and YouTube, I mean, we need that too.
Yeah, for sure, bro. All right. Yeah, you too. Completely unexpected, but just met some guy with the Q60. The car is so nice. It sounds so nice. You can probably hear it right now. Blow off valve going off, everything. Custom exhaust. We were just talking right now. He says he's got his own shop. He got his own crew. Just love meeting these kind of people. It's so awesome. But like I was saying, guys, I came here to the car wash yesterday. I got my springs installed, and then the video just kind of cut it because it was already kind of getting dark. But yeah, we're gonna be washing the car, then I'm gonna be doing some videos to show you guys how low the car is now. And I just want to show you guys something that really unlucky happened yesterday on the freeway while I was driving back from my springs, like getting my springs installed. Yep, my car got a chip. Just put some tape on it right now, just for like a little small repair, just so it doesn't get bigger. Seems to be doing the trick right now. What's up again, guys? So the vlog keeps getting pushed and pushed, so like this is like a 3-day vlog. But yesterday when I was gonna go ahead and do the cinematics for the video after the car wash, just wanted to show you guys how it looked when it was lowered. Some lady approached me and my brother-in-law who were washing my car, and she needed a jump start, and we got into a little bit of like a misstep because she didn't know how to jump start a car. I gave her instructions like just to hold it, because I was gonna be putting in the on the terminals for the positive and negative, and she basically just took it into her own hands to put it on the other side, and she put it on the wrong one. She put positive on the negative and the negative on the positive, just completely fried battery, and it was just a long thing, a long process. So I'm on my way to my mom's house right now. I'm gonna go help him with install a new battery because he needs to put a new battery on. And then I'm hoping I can get some more cinematics because I just want this vlog to be completed already. So we'll see you then. What's going on, guys? Back again because the vlog keeps getting delayed and delayed. So sometimes something just keeps coming up and I don't have enough time. So I'm over here in the parking lot while I'm doing my errands, and I'm trying to finish this video so I can put it out already. So I'm just gonna show you guys just how the car sits now. It's had about like 3 or 4 days to sit for the springs to finally set in. So I'm pretty sure this is exactly kind of like how low the car is gonna sit at, which it got a bit lower from the first day. And let me just go ahead and show you guys everything. It sucks because it's raining outside, but I want to get this video out already. Just put the tag on there. Go ahead and follow, guys. You can see there's no more wheel gap. Like, I actually have to dig underneath to put my finger in. Other than that, if I just go straight in, it's just, I'm hitting the wheel already. Front, it's also sitting tucked, as you can see as well. You gotta actually dig underneath to actually sit up top. Other than that, it hits the wheel right there. We gotta say, I love these springs. The ride quality is really great. I like it better than OEM. It just gives it that little aggression. Just sitting lower. Yeah, guys, that's how she looks. So I don't know how well you guys are able to hear me out there in the rain, but like I said, I actually prefer the ride quality with the so these are RSRs. I believe they're the Super Downs, and as far as ride quality goes, I prefer these over OEM suspension. And the reason for that is it's going to depend on your perception of how you like to ride your car. For me, I like my car a bit more stiffer. Before, when I would go over speed bumps on the OEM, I don't know if it's for all you Q60 guys out there or Q50 guys, but when you go over a speed bump, the car kind of just bounces a little bit, so even you'll still get that minor scrape. As far as this, the wheels are the springs are a lot stiffer, so I don't feel like my car is bouncing as much. As well as because I'm running these shitty tires, or the run flats, so when you go over when you're switching from lane to lane, you hit those little things in the middle. I don't know what they're called. The car tends to pull in either direction with the run flat tires. But with the stiffer suspension, I noticed that the car isn't getting pulled as heavy as it would normally. So that's another reason why I prefer the springs. The springs were also very cheap. Not like cheap, but like, because I'm used to buying coilovers. And compared to 300 bucks, that's the best money you're gonna get, and it just gives it that wow factor because it sits a lot nicer on the car. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video if you did, and let's get this channel up to 500 subs. See you guys later. Before I go, I also wanted to mention that stay tuned for next videos. Put the post notifications on, because next video is going to be super sick. I'm receiving my wheels. I've already received the rear wheels. You guys would know that if you followed me on Instagram. Go ahead and follow me. But I already received my wheels that I'm going to be getting. Now I'm just waiting for the fronts, which should be coming in today, and I'm going to be getting some tires for them, and then we're going to be installing them in the car. So check out next video. It's going to be awesome. See you guys then. Later.